All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Fusion. It is the SE hybrid model. It's beautiful white with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, sunroof, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, no damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire, there it is. At over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. There's some curbing. Yes, it does. About 6 inches. Tire there seems to be under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Yes, it is. Boom. Just a hairline on the 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof. No things, dents, or anything up there. Your sunroof right there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Is a powered seat. Jump in here. Car is on. That's why I was AC. Had to run the AC. Damn, 105 degrees out here in New Jersey today. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. Your backup camera, pow. You got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 16,730. Pretty much completes the tour. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Keeping it moving. And lights, fog lights, trunk. Perfect. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat, and all of the tears and rips. Does have an armrest of cup holders. Coming around, the rear bumper does have some dents. It's got a cracking here about 3 inches. A dent here, less than an inch, and some chips. Some more dents over here. All right, the deck lid looks pretty good. Looks good. Does it have a dent here? It's got a dent here about 2 inches right here in the middle. All right, that's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is what it looks like back here. These are run flat type of system. I'm not sure, but that's how it looks. We are calling it frame. It's got some dents on the trunk floor there. Other than that, the car runs and drives great. It's a dent here, about an inch, and one next to it. Nope, just one here, about an inch PDR work. Here's our rear driver passenger side rim. Has some curbing here, about an inch. That's about it. Tire 30 is at 7, almost about an inch there. About 730 seconds. Got a little dinghy there on this door. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here has a little chip there and another one there. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. There's a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on it. Front passenger rim. And tire third. Over 730 seconds. I'm sorry, just a hairline on the 7. Fog lights, a working car is on. Things are beautiful. Once again, folks, this is a 2018 Ford Fusion SE hybrid model with 16,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.